With graduate studies, you decide where and how you study. You can study entirely online or combine it with on-campus classes. Lectures are recorded and available whenever you need them, designed to fit your schedule. Need extra help or clarification? Live online consultations with lecturers are just a click away. Practical tutorials. Those are online and interactive too. You engage, learn, and make progress. If you choose the blended model, you'll join classes on campus on Fridays and Saturdays. With video lessons, quizzes, assignments, and discussions, you build your knowledge week by week. With online studies, you'll also have a dedicated mentor to track your progress and support you when needed. And when exam time comes, you can take them either in the classroom or online from home, with full supervision, secure, reliable, and stress-free. Flexible graduate studies with full online and blended model. Online when it suits you, on campus when you need it. Level, next level. Algebra Bernays University.